back to Learn Afrikaans with Lexorial. If this is your first time listening, a very warm welcome. I'm Nerika and I'm here to help you understand Afrikaans and speak it with confidence, one practical lesson at a time. If you enjoy learning with me, remember to follow the podcast so that you don't miss a new episode. And if you have a moment, leaving a rating or a review is a simple way to support the podcast and help more Afrikaans learners find it. Now, wherever you are, get comfortable, listen closely, and remember, don't be afraid to speak aloud and make mistakes. Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. This is episode 6 in our Beginner Afrikaans series. In the last episode, we learned how to talk about what someone looks like and what they like as a person. Today we're talking about something a little more ordinary, your day. What time do you get up? What do you do in the morning? Do you work or study? What do you do in the evening? And, very importantly, what time do you finally get into bed? You'll learn simple Afrikaans sentences that you can use to talk about all of these things. And don't worry, your routine doesn't have to be interesting. If most of your day is coffee, work, food, and trying to decide what to watch on TV, that's perfectly fine. We can talk about that in Afrikaans too. As always, say the Afrikaans out loud with me. And when I ask you a question, try to answer during the pause. Let's start by listening to a short conversation between Anna and Ben. Anna wants to know what a normal day looks like for Ben. Just listen the first time. Don't worry if you don't understand everything yet. Hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? Ek staan so 6 uur op. Dan stort ek, trek aan en eet ontbyt. Wat doen jy deur die dag? Ek werk van die huis af. Ek eet gewoonlik so 1 uur middagete. En wat doen jy in die aand? Ek maak aandete, kyk 'n bietjie TV en lees soms voor ek gaan slaap. Hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Gewoonlik so 10:30. Okay, let's listen again, but a little more slowly. Hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? Ek staan so 6 uur op. Dan stort ek, trek aan en eet ontbyt. Wat doen jy deur die dag? Ek werk van die huis af. Ek eet gewoonlik so 1 uur middagete. En wat doen jy in die aand? Ek maak aandete, kyk 'n bietjie TV en lees soms voor ek gaan slaap. Hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Gewoonlik so 10:30. You probably heard a few words you already know, like ek werk or ek lees. And maybe coffee wasn't in the conversation, but don't worry, there will definitely be coffee later. Now, let's build your own routine one part at a time. When we talk about our routine, it helps to divide the day into a few parts. Let's start with soggens. That means in the morning. Say it with me. Soggens. For example, soggens drink ek koffie. In the morning, I drink coffee. Say it with me. Soggens drink ek koffie. You could also say, in die oggend drink ek koffie. You'll hear both. in a normal conversation. Next, bedags. That means during the day. Bedags werk ek. During the day, I work. In an everyday conversation, you can also say, deur die dag werk ek. During the day, I work. And then we have saans, which means in the evening. Saans lees ek. In the evening, I read. You could also say, in die aand lees ek. So you don't have to use exactly the same version every time. Now there's one little thing I want you to listen for. We can say, ek drink soggens koffie, but if we start with soggens, we say, soggens drink ek koffie. Do you hear the difference? Ek drink soggens koffie and soggens drink ek koffie. You don't need to worry about the grammar rule right now. For the moment, just copy the pattern. Soggens drink ek koffie. Bedags werk ek. Saans lees ek. Another word you'll use a lot when talking about your routine is gewoonlik. Usually. For example, ek drink gewoonlik koffie. I usually drink coffee. Or ek lees gewoonlik in die aand. I usually read in the evening. Okay, your turn. Tell me one thing you do in the morning. Start with soggens. Good. And what do you usually do in the evening? Saans? Great. That's already the beginning of your routine. Let's talk about your morning. First, ek word wakker. I wake up. Say it with me. Ek word wakker. Then, ek staan op. I get up. So, ek word wakker and ek staan op. And yes, those can be two very different times. Next up, ek stort. I shower. Ek trek aan. I get dressed. And then hopefully, ek eet ontbyt. I eat breakfast. Or perhaps ek drink koffie. I drink coffee. Let's put that together. Ek word wakker. Ek staan op, stort en trek aan. Dan eet ek ontbyt. I wake up, I get up, shower and get dressed, then I eat breakfast. Listen to the last part again. Dan eet ek ontbyt. Then I eat breakfast. We don't say dan ek eet ontbyt. We say dan eet ek ontbyt. Just copy that pattern for now. You can also add times. For example, ek word so 7 uur wakker. I wake up at around 7. Or ek staan 7:30 op. I get up at 7:30. Now let's talk about your morning. Complete this sentence. Ek word wakker. And ek staan op. Now tell me what happens next. Dan? Good. Here's my example. Ek word so 7 uur wakker. Ek staan op, stort en trek aan. Dan drink ek koffie en eet ontbyt. Now give me your version. Tell me what you normally do when you get up in the morning. Baie goed. Okay, so you've survived the morning. What happens next? If you work, you can simply say, ek werk. I work. Maybe ek werk in 'n kantoor. I work in an office. Or ek werk van die huis af. I work from home. Say that one with me. Ek werk van die huis af. If you study, you can say ek studeer. I study. Or ek gaan klas toe. I go to class. And maybe your day doesn't involve work or studying at all. That's also fine. You could say, ek is deur die dag by die huis. I am at home during the day. Or simply talk about whatever you normally do. Maybe you look after the children, work in the garden, run errands, or spend the day pretending you're going to clean the house. Your routine is your routine. You can also say when you start work. Ek begin 8 uur werk. I start work at 8. Or ek begin 9 uur werk. I start work at 9. And when do you finish? Ek werk tot 5 uur. I work until 5. Okay, now tell me about your day. Start with deur die dag. You could say, deur die dag werk ek. Deur die dag studeer ek. Or, deur die dag is ek by die huis. Now if you work or study, tell me what time you normally start. Ek begin werk. Or, ek begin studeer. Good. And remember, there's no correct daily routine here. Use the Afrikaans to talk about the life you actually live. Now we need food. You already know. Ek eet ontbyt. I eat breakfast. For lunch we say middagete. So, ek eet middagete. I eat lunch. Say it with me. Ek eet middagete. And dinner is aandete. Ek eet aandete. I eat dinner. If you want to say what time you eat, we use om. For example, ek eet om 7 uur ontbyt. I eat breakfast at 7. Ek eet om 1 uur middagete. I eat lunch at 1. And ek eet om 7 uur aandete. I eat dinner at 7. In normal conversation, you'll often hear so when the time isn't exact. For example, ek eet so 1 uur middagete. I eat lunch at around 1. Or ons eet gewoonlik so 7 uur aandete. We usually eat dinner at around 7. You can also say, ek maak aandete. I make dinner. Okay, let me ask you. Hoe laat eet jy ontbyt? What time do you eat breakfast? You can answer, ek eet om ontbyt. And then, hoe laat eet jy aandete? What time do you eat dinner? Maybe you don't eat breakfast. Then you can say, ek eet gewoonlik nie ontbyt nie. Ek eet nie gewoonlik ontbyt nie. I don't usually eat breakfast. Say it with me. Ek eet nie gewoonlik ontbyt nie. So if one of these meals isn't part of your routine, don't invent one just for me. Talk about what you actually do. Now we're getting to the better part of the day. What do you do after work or later in the afternoon? You might say, ek gaan huis toe. I go home. Remember, ek is by die huis. I'm at home. But ek gaan huis toe. I am going home. Once you are home, there are lots of things you can talk about. Maybe ek maak aandete. I make dinner. Ek kyk TV. I watch TV. Ek lees 'n boek. I read a book. Or ek luister na musiek. I listen to music. Say that one with me. Ek luister na musiek. Maybe you exercise. Ek oefen. I exercise. Or ek gaan stap. I go for a walk. Or maybe you do absolutely nothing productive. You can say, ek rus 'n bietjie. I rest for a while. And then eventually, ek gaan slaap. I go to bed. You can add a time. Ek gaan om 11 uur slaap. I go to bed at 11. Or more casually, ek gaan gewoonlik so 11 uur slaap. I usually go to bed around 11. Okay, choose 2 or 3 things that you normally do in the evening. Start with saans. For example, saans maak ek aandete en kyk TV. Or, saans lees ek en luister na musiek. Now tell me, hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Baie goed. So far, we've mostly been talking about your routine, but obviously conversations need more than one person. Let's learn a few questions you can ask someone else. A nice general question is, hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? What does your day usually look like? Say it with me. Hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? Someone might answer, ek staan 7 uur op. Ek werk deur die dag en in die aand lees ek. I get up at 7, I work during the day and read in the evening. You can also ask, wat doen jy soggens? What do you do in the morning? Maybe they answer, soggens stort ek en eet ontbyt. In the morning I shower and eat breakfast. For the evening, wat doen jy saans? What do you do in the evening? An answer could be, saans maak ek aandete en rus 'n bietjie. In the evening I make dinner and relax for a while. You can also ask, hoe laat begin jy werk? What time do you start work? And hoe laat gaan slaap jy? What time do you go to bed? Okay, I'm going to ask you now. Answer in Afrikaans. Wat doen jy soggens? Good. Wat doen jy deur die dag? And wat doen jy saans? There you go. You've just talked about your whole day. Now it's time for another listen and steal exercise. Remember, you don't need to build every Afrikaans sentence from scratch. Sometimes it's much easier to take a sentence you already know and just change one little part. Listen. Ek staan 7 uur op. Change 7 uur to 6 uur. Ek staan 6 uur op. Good. Next. Soggens drink ek koffie. Change coffee to tea. Soggens drink ek tee. Next one. Ek werk van die huis af. Change werk to studeer. Ek studeer van die huis af. Good. Now, ek eet om 1 uur middagete. Change 1 uur to 12 uur. Ek eet om 12 uur middagete. Next. Saans kyk ek TV. Change kyk ek TV to lees ek 'n boek. Saans lees ek 'n boek. Now, ek maak aandete en dan rus ek 'n bietjie. Change rus ek 'n bietjie to kyk ek TV. Ek maak aandete en dan kyk ek TV. Okay, the last one. Ek gaan om 11 uur slaap. Change 11 uur to the time that you normally go to bed. Ek gaan om slaap. Good. Now I'm going to give you a whole routine. Listen first. Ek staan 7 uur op. Soggens drink ek koffie. Deur die dag werk ek en saans lees ek. Now steal the structure, but change the time, the drink, and what you do in the evening. Make it your routine. Baie goed. Same structure, completely different day. That's exactly what we want. Okay, let's put everything together. I'm going to have a short conversation with you about your day. The first time, I'll help you a little. Hoe laat staan jy op? What time do you get up? You can say, ek staan op. Okay, hoe laat staan jy op? Good. Wat doen jy soggens? What do you do in the morning? You could perhaps say, soggens stort ek, trek aan en eet ontbyt. But give me your answer. Wat doen jy soggens? Good. Wat doen jy deur die dag? What do you do during the day? Maybe you work, maybe you study, maybe you're just at home. Tell me, wat doen jy deur die dag? And hoe laat eet jy middagete? What time do you eat lunch? Now, wat doen jy saans? What do you do in the evening? Think about dinner, TV, exercise, reading, music, whatever is normal for you. Wat doen jy saans? And finally, hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Good. Now we're doing it again, but this time I'm not helping you. Just listen to the question and answer in Afrikaans. Ready? Hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? Hoe laat staan jy op? Wat doen jy soggens? Wat doen jy deur die dag? Wat doen jy saans? Hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Baie goed. You just answered a whole conversation about your daily routine in Afrikaans. And if you had to stop and think for a second, that's completely normal. That's how speaking practice works. Before we finish, I have one last challenge for you. I want you to describe your whole day in Afrikaans. It doesn't have to be long. Try to tell me what time you get up, what you do in the morning, what do you do during the day, when you eat, what you do in the evening, and what time you go to bed. Here is an example. Ek word so 6:30 wakker en staan 7 uur op. Soggens stort ek, trek aan en drink koffie. Ek begin 8 uur werk en eet so 1 uur middagete. Na werk maak ek aandete. Saans kyk ek 'n bietjie TV of lees 'n boek. Ek gaan gewoonlik so 11 uur slaap. Now it's your turn. Pause the episode and see if you can talk about your day for about 30 seconds in Afrikaans. How did it go? If you forgot a word or got stuck halfway through, don't worry about starting over. Go back, borrow the sentence you need, and try again. That's actually one of the best ways to build your speaking confidence. Use the patterns you already know and keep changing little pieces until the sentences start to feel like your own. And remember, Your day doesn't have to look anything like my example. Maybe you work at night. Maybe you don't eat breakfast. Maybe you get up at 5 in the morning. Or maybe nobody should speak to you before 9 and at least 1 cup of coffee. The point is that you can now use Afrikaans to talk about your real day. You can say things like, "Soggens drink ek koffie." Ek werk van die huis af. Ek eet so 1 uur middagete. Saans kyk ek TV and ek gaan gewoonlik so 11 uur slaap. You can also ask someone else, hoe lyk jou dag gewoonlik? Wat doen jy soggens? Wat doen jy saans? And hoe laat gaan slaap jy? Try listening to the practice section again later and give different answers. You can describe a normal workday, your weekend, or even your perfect day where you have absolutely nothing you need to do. In the next beginner episode, we'll talk about the days of the week and how to describe your weekly routine. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Remember, you don't need to speak Afrikaans perfectly. You simply need to keep speaking it. If you would like more help with your Afrikaans, visit lexorial.com, where you'll find practical resources designed to help you understand and speak Afrikaans with confidence. Dankie dat jy geluister het. Thank you for listening. Until next time, hou aan oefen and keep speaking Afrikaans with confidence.